our new ombudsman took his oath today. What are your thoughts? What are your expectations?
Well, of course, the people expect a lot from him because, you know, look at the Times. The Times really call for an ombudsman that will really be true to his mandate because of all these revelations about corruption, you know, the gravity and the magnitude of the corruption at the infrastructure sector, the flood control projects is such that it really calls for somebody with enough political will, with enough courage, with the right legal acumen to really go after the perpetrators.
Is he up to the task? Is he up to the task sa tingin nyo? Kaya ba?
Oh yes, well, kakayanin, kung talagang kakayanin, kung siseryosohin. He has the right legal acumen, the skills, and then the experience. The DOJ secretary, matapang naman si Boying Remulla. Ang kulang na lang na dapat ipakita at patunayan niya sa atin ay yung kaya niya talaga na panagutin lahat. Wala siyang sasantuhin, kaalyado man sa politika because you know, Boying Remulla used to be a politician. He's a political animal. He's been a congressman for a long time. And then yung kaya niya na panagutin kahit halimbawa kamag-anak niya, kahit halimbawa yung appointing authority niya. So yun na lang ang talagang kailangan niyang patunayan. Wala siyang pipiliin na kulay sa kanyang mga dapat panagutin. Basta ba nandyan yung ebidensya? Basta ba may pananagutan ng isang tao? Ano man ang kanyang posisyon sa gobyerno ay dapat gawin niya.